Hi guys and welcome back to Miguelscrochet. In today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to do this dollar sign on my Bandit Wiwi pattern. This is the bank bag, so yeah, this will be a tutorial on how to do embroidery dollar sign. So let's do that. Alright guys, first thing you're gonna grab is your needle and cut a long strand of black yarn. As you guys can see, I'm using cotton yarn. For the back I did use acrylic yarn, so it will be handy if you use a smaller thread to make the dollar sign. Otherwise, if you use the same yarn as the one you made the dollar bag, it will not really show, so just use a smaller yarn. Alright guys, grab your needle. I'm gonna insert my needle right here. There we go, and I'm gonna leave a long tail. Alright guys, grab your back. As you guys can see, this is the back side of the bag, so I'm gonna bring it to the front. And now you guys, I'm gonna insert my needle maybe right here. I'm gonna skip 3 stitches, 1 2 3, and right on top, you guys, I'm gonna push my needle. I'm gonna leave a long tail that I can use to sew later, so leave a long tail. And now you guys, you will skip 3 stitches, 1 2 3, and right on top, right here, I'm gonna insert my needle. And now you guys, I'm gonna push my needle now right here. So I'm gonna push my needle. There we go. That's the dollar sign. And now you guys, I'm gonna go back into the same stitch, but now I will push it a little bit more higher. So right here, I'm gonna push my needle back. There we go guys, that creates the S of the bottom part of the dollar sign. So now I'm gonna insert my needle right here back. And now you guys, I'm gonna push my needle, let's say, I think right here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so right here I'm gonna push my needle to go now on this above part. And now you guys, I'm gonna go this direction back, so I'm gonna insert my needle right here and push it a little bit to the top, as you can see. And now I'm gonna bring my needle down and bring it up again. So as you can see, this is to shape the S, so play with it a little bit. And as you guys can see, that created the S. And now I'm gonna go back right here into the same stitch and go 1 stitch higher, because now we will create the 2 stripes. Let's see, we shall bring this a little bit higher with our needle, play with it. Alright guys, and now we are ready to bring the stripes down. Push it. Alright, and now you guys, I'm gonna bring my stripes down. This can go maybe right here, and I'm gonna go to the next stitch right next to it, as you can see. Right, and I'm gonna repeat the same steps, you guys. I'm going now down. As you guys can see, this I can push this a little bit more higher, maybe a little bit here. Alright, let's bring the S down again, maybe a little bit here. Yeah, I think it will look perfect right there to make the stripes a little bit more even. And now you guys, I'm gonna go back now into next to this one right here. I think will look good. And now I'm gonna push my needle right here. Alright guys, let's hope this looks good. You gotta play with it and make sure the dollar sign looks perfect. Okay, alright guys, I think this looks pretty good, if I say so myself. Yeah, looks good to me. So yeah, and now you guys, I'm gonna leave this tail a little bit. Now I'm gonna go on the bottom part of the dollar bag. I'm gonna insert my thread right here, and now you guys, I'm gonna go back on top, try to connect it right here. Hopefully you guys can see. Gonna bring it right there. Okay, so you can hand tie that tail. And now you guys, I'm gonna pick the long tail and we will kind of close the back. So now I'm gonna insert my hook right here and push it here and going here, and yeah, kind of like this. So hope you guys can see. So now I'm gonna push it a little bit to kind of close the back. Alright guys, and what I like to do now is with a long tail, guys, I will wrap it around the back, maybe like 3 to 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, that kind of close the back. And now I'm gonna do a few knots so we can push it really hard, yeah. And I'm gonna do maybe 2 or 3 knots. So made the first knot, I'm gonna do one more knot. There we go guys. And now what you can do is hide the tails in the back and cut the thread. So yeah guys, that's basically how you do the dollar back sign. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hopefully you guys managed to do your dollar sign. And thanks so much for purchasing the Wiwi pattern. If you guys would love to purchase my Bandit Wiwi pattern, you can find it on my website at www.miguelscrochet.com or my Etsy shop. Both links are in the description box. And with that being said, thanks so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. See you soon guys. Bye!